What's up, y'all? This your boy Keenan. Keenan just felt like cooking, and right now, man, I'm about to whoop up a quick little spinach dip. Something could be good for the holidays coming up. Check it. So I went ahead and prepped up everything. This is 2 bags of the frozen spinach that I thawed out. Put it in some paper towel, got all the water out of it, and I got it separated here on the cookie sheet to dry out a little bit and to keep from clumping up. I got 1 whole Mexican green onion. That's the green onion with the bigger bulb at the bottom. So if you see those are the Mexican green onions, and I love those. I got the white part right here in the middle, and then this is the top part that I'm gonna use for some garnish. I got about 3/4 of a pack of the mushrooms, just the regular white mushrooms that I diced up, and we're gonna be mixing that with some of this Italian style blend cheese, mozzarella, smoked provolone, romano, parmesan, fontina, and asiago. So that's going to be banging. We got some sour cream here. Got some cream cheese that I let come to temp. I got some minced garlic. You know I got to throw that in there. We're going to be seasoning it up with some of this Goya Adobo, some black pepper, and some of this Badia Complete. And then we're going to tie it all together with some of this mayonnaise right here. So I'm going to get to sauteing up these mushrooms, and we're going to get it going. Okay, so I got these mushrooms right here. About to saute these bad boys up in a mixture of bacon fat and salted butter. 2 tablespoons of salted butter and 1.5 tablespoons of bacon fat. So we're gonna throw these bad boys in here and let them break down, let them get nice and soft. Take up in all that flavor from the butter and the bacon fat, and then we're gonna be back with the rest of the ingredients. So while these bad boys are sauteing, we're going to go ahead and start seasoning them. A little bit of this Goya Adobo. About a good 1.5 tablespoons of that. We're going to roll with a good tablespoon of this. We got to use the bigger one. Some of this Badia Complete. And then a good teaspoon of black pepper. Alright. So these is going. Alright, so I'm adding this garlic, and I'm gonna get a good, nice, good heaping in there, and a little mouth. And I'm putting the garlic in there while it's still a lot of moisture, so it doesn't burn real quick. And I want the flavor of the garlic to be infused up in there with the mushrooms. So, you know, so that way when the moisture is evaporating, the flavors concentrate. Little tip from your boy. Alright, so these is coming along, and we're going to go ahead and add these onions, the Mexican green onion. I don't know why, I just love those. As you can see, a lot of the liquid has evaporated from the mushrooms, and that's just the oil from the bacon fat and the butter in there. So to prevent all that from burning, this is when we're going to add our spinach and sprinkle it around up in there. I don't know if I'm going to use all this. So we're going to saute the spinach up in here and get it mixed up. And we're going to be back with the cheese and the mayonnaise and the sour cream. And then we're going to get ready to throw this in the oven. Alright, back in a minute. Alright, so I got this on like low, and we're going to go ahead and add that cream cheese in there. Break that up. So I got that all mixed up, as you can see. I mean, that's looking good right there. You could just spread that on a bagel. And we're going to add some of this Italian style blend shredded cheese. We got like 4 or 5 different cheeses in there. I'm not going to use the whole bag, but I'm going to use some of it. And we got our mayonnaise. And the sour cream. Use about half a container of that. What's this? So it's about 8 ounces of sour cream and 2 cups of mayonnaise. Yeah, my hands are washed. So I got my temptations here. Yeah, I got a good spice. And we're gonna go ahead and load up our little mixture. Oh yeah, look at that. Spread that around evenly. And we're gonna pop it in a 375-degree oven until it's nice and bubbly. So I'm gonna check it in about maybe 10-15 minutes. All right, so this bad boy didn't cool down. Let's see what we got here. Ooh. Yeah, your boy Keenan's spinach dip. And I got some crackers that I am going to divulge on. I mean, you could use this on some crackers, make you a quesadilla, sandwiches, put it in an omelet. All right, let's get a bite. Crackers. It's probably go good with tortilla chips, breadsticks, whatever. This is a versatile dish, and it'll probably be good if you smoke it too. That's what I would have did, but it's still wet outside. You know what I mean? Be safe. All right, here we go. My spinach dip. Yeah, that is on point. That is on point. That is on point. That's probably one of the best things I ever did. As I pause, as I hear the kids, y'all be sure to check that out. Real simple to do, simple ingredients, not hard to find. Man, I'm like lost for words. That's so good. I'm gonna go ahead and watch the second half of this game, eating that. Y'all be cool out there, be safe, be smart, you know the deal. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Check out my other videos, check me out on my other social media channels, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Keenan just felt like cooking. Everybody be cool out there. One.